Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we have an interesting video, how to deploy a DeepSeek-R1 model locally to your computer machine. Let's get started. So in this video, I'm going to walk through how we can run DeepSeek-R1 model locally on your computer machine. The very first step is you need to go to the Google search, type ollama.com. The moment you type ollama.com, you need to download the Ollama locally to your computer machine based upon the operating system. So I'm having Windows as an operating system. I'm going to download this Ollama Windows to my local machine. After you have downloaded this, you can see the models. When it comes to the model section of Ollama, we have a model named as DeepSeek-R1. So this DeepSeek-R1 is a model. Using your Ollama, you will be able to run this model locally on your computer machine. So this Ollama model, it is a free open source tool that allows the users to run the natural language processing models locally. And you can notice that there are various sizes available of DeepSeek-R1 model for Ollama locally. So starting from 1.5B till we have 671B. And 1.5B size, the storage it required in your computer machine is 1.1 GB. As the size increases, the performance of the model also increases. So to check whether the Ollama model has successfully installed in your machine, just go to the command prompt, type Ollama help. If you type Ollama help, it is a large language model runner and it has the available set of commands. Example, Ollama push. So we are going to pull the model from the registry. So Ollama pull DeepSeek R1. So you can see the command here. Ollama pull DeepSeek-R1, DeepSeek-R1, colon, what is the size which we have installed it. So I have installed the size is 1.5B. So let me put 1.5B. So this is going to pull from the registry. So I have already pulled this one. So it is given the messages successfully it is pulled. Let me run this. Ollama run DeepSeek -R1 colon 1.5B. So now we are running the DeepSeek-R1 locally in your computer machine with the help of the Ollama options. So let me ask a question. Write a tagline for ice cream shop. So there's a question I'm asking. So it is now thinking and it is providing me the results in a very fast and quick manner. Did you notice that? It has given the essential details about the tagline of ice cream shop. In the initial stage, it started thinking and it is providing me the responses in a quick manner. And what is the beauty of this thing? Yeah, you'll be able to execute the DeepSeek-R1 model locally in your own computer machine using the Ollama. Same one, if you want to execute Ollama in your Visual Studio Code, the very first step, you are supposed to install pip install Ollama, which means you are installing the packages of Ollama. Now I'm importing the package Ollama, and then we are using one of the functionality known as chat as a functionality. In the chat functionality, we are passing two parameters. One is the model, which model you have installed locally. You pass the name of the model. So here we use DeepSeek-R1 1.5B. And the second parameter is messages equal to, it's a list. So we passed two parameters. One is, this is a list of dictionary. One is a role, which is a user. And we are asking a question is, write a tagline for an ice cream shop. Finally, in order to execute this particular response, so I'm printing print this particular variable name and your list variable name followed by your question you asked in the content. So if you ask this and if you start executing this, we got the result as a final tagline for your ice cream is tasty and delightful, and we got one emoji as well. So likewise, you will be able to execute your DeepSeek-R1 model locally in your computer machine with the help of your Ollama. Thank you so much for watching. We will see in another interesting video. Stay tuned for more updates.